Imagine you're on a long road trip, cruising down the highway. Suddenly, you want to know exactly how far it is between two random stops. To figure it out, you'd usually look at the map for the individual legs of the journey. Say a 10-mile stretch, then a 20-mile stretch, then 10, then 5. To find the distance for a specific middle chunk, you have to manually add those segments together. That works for one trip, but if you were a delivery dispatcher answering 1,000 different requests for random stretches at that same highway, adding those segments over and over again would be a slow, exhausting chore. Real highways solved this long ago with mile markers. Instead of measuring the distance from the last gas station, a mile marker shows a running tally of the total distance from the very beginning of the road. Because you have that running tally, you never have to add up the spaces in between. To find the distance between any two markers, you just take the larger number and subtract the smaller one. This simple highway trick is a foundational technique in software engineering. It's what allows programs to process massive amounts of data instantly, and it's called the Prefix Sum array. Let's look at how a computer sees this. We start with a standard list, or array, of those individual highway segments. Here are our trip segments in the top row: 10, 20, 10, 5, and 15. To build our digital mile markers, we'll create a second empty row right beneath it. Since the first mile marker is just the first segment, that 10 drops straight down to start our new list. For the next marker, we take our current running total of 10 and add the next segment of 20. That gives us a new total of 30 miles traveled so far. We follow that pattern all the way down the line. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. And 45 plus 15 gives us a total trip length of 60 miles. The rule is simple. To find any mile marker, just take the current segment and add it to the previous running total. This setup phase is an investment. By doing this math ahead of time, we turn a repetitive chore into a permanent reference guide that makes future questions effortless. Now we can put our markers to work. Let's say we need the total distance for just the middle of the trip, specifically the stretches of 20, 10, and 5 miles. Instead of adding those numbers, we look at our mile markers. We take the marker at the end of our stretch, 45, and subtract the marker from just before we started, which is 10. 45 minus 10 gives us 35. Visually, you're just slicing off the early part of the trip you don't need. What's left behind is the exact distance of that middle section. If we did this the old way, the computer would have to add segments one by one. As the list grows longer, the work grows right along with it. Double the data means double the time. But with the subtraction trick, the speed is locked in. Whether you're checking 3 miles or 3 million, it always takes just one single step to get the answer. You trade a little time and memory to create that second list, and in return, you get the power to answer distance questions instantly. This logic is a favorite in technical interviews. You might be asked to find a target sum. For example, did we ever drive a continuous stretch of exactly 15 miles? Without our markers, a computer would have to blindly guess and check every possible combination of segments, adding them over and over until it finally hit 15. With our mile markers, we don't need to add anything. We just scan the list for two numbers that have a difference of exactly 15. We quickly see 45 and 30 fit. We found our answer without having to re-examine the individual segments. This technique transforms what could be a long, exhaustive search into a simple game of subtraction. These running totals also make it easy to find the highest and lowest points in a set of data. Since the markers track growth, finding the largest jump between any two markers lets us pinpoint a peak, like the most profitable month for a business, without rereading every single daily receipt. Whether you're measuring miles, money, or stock prices, you can bypass repetitive calculations by relying on a running tally. The next time you see a green mile marker on the highway, you'll see it for what it really is, a tool for efficiency. A prefix sum is built once through addition, and then checked as many times as you need through subtraction. It's proof of a golden rule in data. Do the math once, and you can use the answer forever.